Suddenly he got really popular and he's still a teacher. So Sanjay, I think, please, I think some
Should I
words for
stand
us.
here?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for the introduction, guys. Thank you so much. If I मुझे अगर पहले ही पता होता कि मेरे बारे में इतना कुछ बोला जा रहा है तो मैं इसको वीडियो बना के मेरे बाप को भेज देता था. But thank you so much for that. I just wanted to say something to my people. Bro, that was very formal introduction of chai shots to our people. That was very formal, very formal. You guys have created something called as very Gen Z approach, and you have presented in a very no. Give it my way. I'll try to explain to my audience what is chai shots. Basically, I'm a teacher. I am from Tamil Nadu. My native is Tamil Nadu. I speak Tamil, but I teach in Maharashtra, Mumbai. And I am giving speech here in Telangana. That itself is what chai shots brings to you. Taking people from everywhere and coming into the picture. I just share one thing. I don't know whether I should share or don't know, but I'll say. When I was asking Sharad Bhai, कौन से language में बात करूं? He said, speak in English. If my English teacher knows कि I am here standing in stage and speaking in English, वो पहला अपना नस काटेगी, फिर दूसरा मेरे को जला देगी. Because I failed 3 times in English when I was in 10th. I scored 68 in 10th. Maharashtra State Board, 68%. I know most of my people who are sitting here might have scored more than me. I scored 68 because of only one reason. And that reason is my dad. Because of my dad, I scored 68. I will ask why. Because he put me in boys' school. 10 years boys. Front boys, back boys, everybody boys. Teachers also boys. No motivation at all. I scored 68. After getting 68% in 10th, पापा मेरे पास आते और ओके बोलते संजय बेटा तेरे को बॉयज़ कॉलेज में भी डालेंगे. एक तो तुम मेरा बचपन छीना, एक तो अब तुमको मेरा जवानी छीनने का है. थैंक गॉड कि मेरा बॉयज़ कॉलेज में एडमिशन नहीं हुआ, मिक्स कॉलेज में एडमिशन. एंड इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड आई स्कोर्ड 81. I think I deserve a clap for this. And why? Why 81? Why 81? Not because of the thinking, mixed college. No. Relatability. There was one teacher who used to teach us in stories. We used to love her lecture. We used to love her also. But we used to love her lecture. Extraordinary teaching in stories. Now this is what Chai Shots brings. It tells stories. It's so relatable. So relatable. And just one example, while I was coming in the stage, I was coming from Rapido from that hotel to this hotel. One auto rickshaw friend was also watching Chai Shots, and I was Sharad Bhai. When did you launch this app before launching event? So he was watching some shots regarding to some shows and all. But one last thing, I'll come again in the stage just to make sure what I'll set the template. I'll set the template. These people will come. They will speak in a very formal approach. Your brother will come in a very informal approach to explain what are the things going on the stage. One last thing for now about Chai Shots. What it is actually, how relatability works. After I finished my lecture in Mumbai, I was walking on the road. So there were 4-5 ladke log sitting in Pan Bidi shop. I want everybody to listen to this now. They were sitting in a Pan Bidi shop. I saw them, I ignored. Now this is Kali Yugam. I saw them, I ignored. They called me, Sanjay sir, come here. मजा आएगा. Hey, तुम लोग पान बीड़ी शॉप में रे, मेरे को क्यों रे बुला रहा है? Keeping the sharam aside, I went. I asked, what are you guys doing in this pan bidi shop? There are cigarettes, there are bidi. What are you guys doing? He was like कि संजय सर देखते रहो, अभी बहुत मजा आने वाला है. तो have you saw that lighter? Which lighter? This lighter? No. That dabba wala lighter comes in old pan bidi shop. One of the guy plugged out that dabba and put a small speaker behind it. And he placed it once again there. And मेरे को बोलता है संजय सर अभी देखते रहो बहुत मजा आने वाला है हाँ सच्ची में. I was very shocked. क्या कर रहे रे इन लोग? क्यों कर रहे रे लोग? One person came, he took the cigarette. He switched on that dabba, that lighter dabba. वो लाइटर का डब्बा तो जला, बट वो लाइटर के डब्बे के स्पीकर के वो जो पीछे स्पीकर रखा था ना उसमें से आवाज आ रहा है राम नाम सत्य है. Now that was very huge. I told those students, guys, what is this? In that moment, those students told me, Sanjay sir, we are just explaining the society what smoking does to you. Now, that is what I call relatability. And that relatability brings chai shots to you. Sharath bro, this is how you should have. But it's okay. You guys are good in what you do. I'll present Sharath sir and anyone else to explain more about it. I'll definitely come once again. When the things go very complex, I will come to simplify it.